Hey, what's up everybody? It's Hey John. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and today I'll be covering another Dogecoin video live stream of some TA and some news. And as you know, Binance has been blocked by China. So now we're seeing one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world being blocked by China. So that's going to be a no bueno for cryptocurrency, and we're going to see the sell-off continue due to that FUD news. Of course, if you are in China though, you can still access Binance. All you have to do is use a VPN. And of course, that's illegal in China, but you know what, man? It's okay, right? You have to access your money some way, somehow. So now that we covered that little tidbit of news, let's go and cover the charts, because that's what I'm here for and that's what you're here for. So let's go in and check out that chart, okay? Alrighty then. So let's see, where are we at on the daily? Okay, where are we on a daily here? So yesterday I was showing you guys live that we were in a downtrend, in a downward channel, and we're continuing to follow that channel. Last night or yesterday, I forgot when exactly, when I made the video live stream here, we were in the middle of the channel, and now we are, I would say, pretty much to the bottom portion of the channel. So as you know, when weekend come, usually weekends are going to be a weakness trade, because you're going to see even lower volume, if you can believe it or not, even lower volume on the weekend. So to me, this looks like we're gonna see some more downward momentum, downwards. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I've been saying, hey guys, be careful of the folks who just tell you everything's bullish every single day, because the truth is everything isn't bullish. If it was, then obviously this wouldn't be an issue right now. But so again, currently on a daily perspective here, we are at the bottom portion of the downward channel. And I was saying yesterday, around 19 cents could be the potential bottom portion of this downward channel. And of course, as you know, there are no guarantees in life, right? There's no guarantee that we will hit that exactly, but we may get in at or around there. And currently, the way the technicals is looking, we're seeing it showing as a reset to the bull side, but we are seeing no bullish momentum whatsoever. So to me, this is telling me that we're going to see more downside in the time to come. And how long is it going to be? I would say this could last potentially, let's see, we may see how this plays out in about 9 to 10 days using an estimate based on what I see on charts. So we're still coming down here, and of course I would say there is some bullish news for Bitcoin though, and the cryptocurrency market. In the video earlier today, I covered Mexico and Argentina, right? And it looks like they may be putting in some legislation to accept Bitcoin, and Argentina can be patient zero to accept altcoins. And in my opinion, I think Dogecoin can be the currency for Argentina. So again, currently on the daily here, we're seeing Dogecoin trade below the Agora reaction ribbon. And when that happens, this is a bearish sign. And this means we're going to see some more bearish downward pressure. Okay. The next resistance or support, well, I would say resistance, will be around 2253, and that's what it is currently for today. But as you know, charts are an evolving beast, so every day it'll take time. So let's go ahead and go into the 4 hour here, okay? Haha, the AMC 8s. The AMC 8s are just fine. They're just fine. Okay. So on the 4 perspective here, we're seeing Dogecoin channel towards the downward channel. And now that I get a more closer look here, the potential bottom of the downward channel is around 1861. Okay, around 1861 is gonna be your downward channel for the most part. The bottom of the downward channel. Yesterday, when I made a video here, a live stream, we were in the middle of the channel somewhere, and now we moved about, I would say, about 40% lower. So we're about maybe like 10 or 20% away from the bottom of the downward channel. So we're getting pretty close to there. So in my opinion, if you're looking to look for a position, I would say anywhere at the bottom of the downward channel is a pretty good place to get into. Of course, there's no guarantee, right? We can easily pierce right through it and keep on sinking lower, because there is tons of FUD and unfortunately bearish news on cryptocurrency in general. So just things to be aware of here. And I've been calling out for the past, I think 3 days now, maybe 2, I forget exactly how long it's been. But I was saying, hey folks, on Twitter and my YouTube channel here, I'm saying, you know what guys, it looks like we may be coming down, so plan accordingly and trade accordingly. Let's see here. All right, so okay, so on the 4 perspective here, we're still trending down and we're coming down pretty strong. So in my opinion, when you see any kind of dips right now, you're gonna see a quick bounce up, but the bounce will be pretty weak and it'll probably come back down. So these are what you would call pretty much bear flags for the most part. Of course, if you're new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe. And if you're watching my content so far and you find any of it helpful, do me a huge favor by supporting the channel by just tapping that like button. I appreciate all you guys and gals very much. So smashing like button will help YouTube share this video with more folks out, and I appreciate you guys and gals supporting the channel here. So let's see here. Let's see what else we got here. So on a 4 time frame, we're still coming down, unfortunately. And I was telling you guys that it'll probably be around 18.7 is probably gonna be the downward portion of the downward channel. Let's see. The last previous low was around 17.73. The next support is gonna be around 15.33. Okay, so just things to watch out for. I'm not saying it'll get there. It could. I would say it's quite likely, but you never know right here, right? Tomorrow Elon Musk may throw out a tweet. He may say, you know what, I am now accepting Dogecoin, right, for Tesla cars. Or you may see Argentina come out saying, you know what, we are now accepting the alt currency Dogecoin for the currency of Argentina. You never know what will happen here. The fundamentals can change on a dime. So I'll tell you why I always say to folks in my channel, in my live stream, or my other channels here, I always say to buy the dips and nibble and never bite, because you buy over time and you will get a fantastic average. If you think you could buy it all at once and time the market, well, you could get lucky, but I would say good luck with that one. All right, so we can see on a 4 time from here, based on the indicator below here, we're seeing it kind of come back down a little bit, and we're seeing tons of volume leaving Dogecoin. And I've been saying it for the past few videos, and well, even in the past, I always say buying begets buying and selling begets selling. And today we are seeing the flip side from a few months ago. We were seeing the selling beget the selling. And you're seeing, you know, of course, you're seeing other influencers push out other coins and for their own self-interest. So that's fine right here, right? You know, everyone's gotta get paid, everyone's gotta make their money, but they are doing it on Dogecoin back. So it's one of those things where these other influencers are using Dogecoin for their advantage and using their viewers for the same thing, which is fine, you know. It's a free country, right? It's a free world. You can do what you want, but it's just unfortunate that we are losing more and more folks from Dogecoin to go to the other coins and tokens here. So just some food for thought. I'm not trying to bash anyone. It really doesn't matter, to be honest, but it has to be thrown out there and it has to be known because Dogecoin is showing extreme weakness. And in my opinion, if you were to shill a new coin, now is not the time to do it because you are making Dogecoin even weaker. And in my opinion, that is just messed up and mean. But what can I say here, right? Free world. Let's see here. Let's see. So let's go ahead and go to the hourly now and see what's going down. All right. So wait, let's zoom in a little bit. There you go. Well, probably isn't a good look here. So now we're seeing on the hourly time frame, it's still coming down right here, right? You're seeing a quick dip right here and a quick pop. I mean, could this be the reversal? Possibly, but in my opinion, I don't really think so. I think there's a quick, a little quick bounce up, and then it'll probably get sold up and come back down. Let's see here, and of course, I think it's July. I forget the date exactly. I think July 19 or 20, or I forget which day it was. I forget. I was reading about the other day, but essentially, Grayscale is a huge Bitcoin advocate, and on July 18 or July 20, I forget which day exactly here, they are going to have a lockout, and you're gonna see tons of Bitcoins possibly get released or bought up here, and you're seeing tons of Bitcoin short interest. So we may see some buying pressure here. We could potentially see some Bitcoin, you know, getting bought up from a short squeeze potentially. So we could see some buying pressure for Bitcoin to move it up. But of course, on the flip side, it could just potentially move down some more as well. Nobody knows right now. So July 18th for the Grayscale Bitcoin thing, it's going to be a toss-up. It's really going to depend on the shorts, how they feel about that. So just something to be aware about, to watch. But from now until about July 18 or 20 here, I would say these are going to be very, very good dip buying opportunities. And in my opinion, I don't think cryptocurrency is going to be out of the woods until possibly maybe the end of this year or early 2022, just due to all the flooded news coming out currently. So just things to be aware about, you know. So that's kind of why I say to nibble and never bite, because this downward trend can last for some time. This cryptocurrency winter can last for some time. You never know. Of course, there can be, you know, amazing news coming out tomorrow. The fundamentals can change on a dime. So just be aware of that. That's kind of why I encourage folks to buy over time. If you want to time the market and day trade, hey, by all means, you do you. But usually timing the market is quite the task. You know, you get lucky a few times and you think you're on fire and you think you can never lose, and all of a sudden you lose all your gains and then you're in a hole. So alrighty then. So on hourly here, we're still trading down right here, right? So on hourly, we're looking at about 23 cents to be the resistance. It's quite a bit higher from the 4 hour, which is kind of interesting when you think about it. Well, nobody knows if Dogecoin will go that much lower, right? Some folks who sold, you know, at 50 or 60 cents, obviously they're gonna be like, hey man, I want Dogecoin to go to 5 cents, 4 cents, 3 cents, 8 cents, whatever's, and you know, they're gonna drop some FUD, right? And they're gonna say this and that to make you sell and to drive the price down because they want to get back in. At the end of the day, folks believe in Dogecoin, but folks are just being very scared and very timid right now, and it's because selling begets selling and buying begets buying. So when it gets cheap enough, the whales will come back in and buy it up, and you will see everyone kind of come back in. But yeah, man, we're living in very, very questionable times, and the truth is nobody knows right now. Even I don't know. That's kind of why I just buy the dips here and there, and I always nibble. I have a budget, you know, just like everyone else in life, you know. I have a job as well, so I can't be YOLOing all my funds here because I'm an adult. I have adult things to do, so obviously I'm assuming most of you guys and gals do too. So just be careful and protect yourself, and don't listen to everyone you hear about saying it's only bullish, because it goes both ways, bullish and bearish. Okay, so the truth is, though, we have lots of paper hands in Dogecoin, and I threw out a tweet a few days ago. If you're paper handing Dogecoin or any kind of stock or cryptocurrency, just do yourself a favor and sell already. Just sell and get on the markets, and stop making us all wait because you're a paper hander and you have no huevos. So just leave and be gone, okay? I encourage you to get rid of your stuff, go live your life, right? Stop watching the charts, stop watching your news, right? Stop being all neurotic. If you're scared, just sell, get out of here. Let the correction be done, and let's move on, right? Let's go from a correction to a nice bounce. So that's kind of what I want to. Of course, I will probably get attacked by some folks for saying it, but the truth is, well, it's a good, the bad, and the ugly. Yep. Well, the truth is, it doesn't matter what you do or don't do, right? It doesn't matter. I just say what I want to say. If I wanted to say for likes, I would say to the moon. Encourage everyone to buy, right? Right? But of course, you come to my channel because I just tell you the way it is. I don't sugarcoat things, even though I probably should, and I'll probably get a lot more subscribers if I do, but at the end of the day, I pretty much don't care. I mean, I would like more subscribers, but I don't care that much to sell my soul and just say things that you want to hear, or pump things I don't believe in to make a quick buck. So alrighty then, just know that if you invest in cryptocurrency, it's a very, very volatile market, and it's a very scary market. So if you're scared of this kind of stuff, the best thing to do, in my opinion, is not financial advice, but throw your money into S&P 500 fund and just call it a day right here, right? Make your 8% a year and don't worry about it. Set it and forget it, right? But if you want to make some real money here, cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, that's what I'm here for, baby. I'm here to make some real money here. I don't mean make money overnight. This is not a get-rich scheme where you buy today and tomorrow you'll be up like 10,000% or some BS like that. This is an investment, obviously, but it'll take time. But the returns will be, well, magnificent, in a word I can think of. Magnificent. So again, next support will be around 1536. The resistance will be now 2215. 2215 used to be a support, and unfortunately the support is now resistance, because we can thank our Chinese FUD news, and we can thank our paper hands, and we can thank our other influencers shielding other coins. So we can thank those reasons for Dogecoin sinking. So if you want to get mad at someone, you should get mad at the news, you should get mad at other influencers pushing other BS coins, and you should get mad at paper hands, okay? It is what it is. At the end of the day, if you're a long-term Dogecoin hodler such as myself, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, in a year or two from now, I know Dogecoin will be higher. How much higher? I couldn't tell you, to be honest. I couldn't tell you. I'm not gonna lie to you and say it's gonna be 10 bucks. I have no idea, but I truly do believe, this year we can still see $1. Obviously, we have 5 months to go, but you know, man, I'm a believer in Dogecoin all day, every day. So alrighty then. So I mean, it was tons of fun streaming with you guys today. So I've given you the resistance and the supports, and we know what's going on here, right? So trade accordingly. If you're day trading, hey, fantastic, make some money. If you're paper handing, hey man, it's cool. Get out the markets, go do something else, enjoy your life. If you have diamond paws like me, smash the like button and show some love to Dogecoin, right? And if you want to buy a shield coin, well, don't come to my channel because I don't want you here. I don't want you here because we don't need your kind here. What we need is more Dogecoin hodlers and Dogecoin diamond paws, okay? We don't need any kind of fake coins. We need some real stuff, okay? And of course, I do buy some fake coins as well, but I buy for fun. And I do tell you all of the I do tell you all of the caveats before I buy it and before I talk about it though, right? So I don't just randomly push things here around. So but anyway, this isn't what it's about here. I want you all to be safe. I want you all to be very prosperous. And don't forget, the end of this month, the end of July, we are going to see tons of moratoriums end. And when tons of moratoriums end, well, we're going to see the economy show its real face here. And you are going to see plenty of things happen with cryptocurrency and the stock market. So stay tuned and watch out because there are some news coming out that we are gonna have to watch and be careful about. It's more than just cryptocurrency, okay? Pay attention to the fundamental stock market and pay attention to these government moratoriums. When they end, the real economy, the one I live in, I've been driving around my city in Los Angeles, the best city in the world, and all I see are closures. I will be filming some videos about the city of Los Angeles and what it really looks like nowadays. It is, I mean, when you watch the news, you're seeing, oh my God, everything's reopening, everything's fantastic, right? All I see are for leaks and for sale, and we're out of business and we're never coming back. So in my opinion, my God, the real economy is in dire straits. And the question is, what happens to cryptocurrency and what happens to Dogecoin when the real economy is collapsing, right? These people are going to need to sell their assets like Dogecoin or Bitcoin or whatever they have just to make ends meet. And when that happens, that could potentially accelerate the further decline of our Bitcoin and Dogecoin in the cryptocurrency market and the stock market. So I know people don't want to hear this kind of stuff because it's like, oh, it's fear, gloom and doom. But you know what? I live in the real world, and I will be making some videos about that to show you guys that I'm not just all BS. I'm going to drive around my city. I'm going to show you guys those kind of things right there. It's not to create fun or fear or anything. It's to show you guys, you know what they see on TV isn't the truth, really. Things are reopening, but it isn't as good as they sound. And you see the job reports. I mean, if people are really getting reemployed at the rate they're saying, then why do I see so many homeless people, right? I don't know, but I will be recording some of those videos, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be able to check it out because I only want to give you guys the real deal. I don't want to give you some sugarcoat BS. So it's Hey John. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care and stay safe.